Hi, and welcome back to English 1302, Week 4. I knew there was something that I would forget in the previous video, and it's this. When I graded your outline, if there are no comments on it, if you made a relatively high score of 36 or 38 or 40, then you are clear to go ahead and just use the thesis and topic sentences from that outline and just fill in the quotes and the explanations. Uh, Choose an introduction, of course, have a conclusion. You want to have a works cited page, although I sent that to you, just copy and paste it. But yeah, if you didn't get any comments, then your work is your job is half over. If you did get comments, you're going to want to carefully consider those. Sometimes I made very specific suggestions, like take out this her and put in Lady Macbeth. Be sure you do that. Sometimes it's just like, I'm having trouble following the ideas. What were you trying to say? Basically, asking you to clarify your ideas to be more careful or be more clear. Sometimes it was just like, uh, this sentence has too many ideas in it. So you want to simplify it. You want to shorten it basically to just one main clear idea. Each thesis should have one main idea, which clearly answers the research assignment. And each topic sentence should have one clear idea, which supports the thesis. Don't forget your quote needs to be a short, direct quote from the play. We're not using any other outside sources, just using the play as your only source. Find a quote either from the character you're writing about or from another character that talks about the character you're writing about. Quote that character and then follow that with the in-text citation, which is just the author's last name, Shakespeare, and then you don't put the name of the play in there. You just put the act number, act one, the scene number, scene two, the line number, line three. And of course, it's in parentheses. Again, follow the example that I've posted up for you. 700 to 1,000 words, I think. So you're looking at a little less than 2 pages to almost 3 pages. It's a short paper, introduction, three body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Pretty formulaic. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, wow, that is really formulaic. Yeah, it kind of is, but it can also be very clear and it can help you to stay focused and make it easier for me to evaluate the ideas you've presented. The ideas themselves, of course, are not formulaic, just the writing structure, but that's okay. And I know you're in college now, and as you get to be a sophomore and junior and senior, you'll develop a more professional, a more academic writing style. But for right now, and your freshman year, we're going to keep things simple. Plus, simple structure makes it much easier to proofread and catch careless mistakes and like that. Okay, let's see. Was there anything else about the paper? Be sure you follow the assignment sheet. Um, oh yes, if you've never used Turnitin before, it's it's not hard. It's complicated, but it's not hard. You want to go back and look at the assignment that you turned in. It would be very hard to do well on the second part without reviewing the outline you submitted. So go back to where you originally turned in, which I think is under the tab called Assignments R1. Then you click on where it says Submit, or it says View Submit, and then that'll take you to your paper and it'll open up and you'll probably get these little word bubbles which you either have to click on or scroll over, and then on what I'm seeing on the instructor's version, it shows the instructor comments on the left. Yours may scroll along the bottom, but you'll see two kinds of comments. If there's any improvement that needs to be made, if there's no improvement, you don't get any comments. Yeah, if you've got a high grade, if you made a 40, I probably didn't say anything about your paper other than good job, because if you don't need to fix it, I don't need to say anything. But anyway, review the assignment sheet, look at the sample papers, um, look at the instructions. Don't wait till the last minute. If you have questions, let me know. Be sure you're not submitting something which has already been submitted somewhere else. I also had students who wrote something for a different class and submitted it. Again, plagiarism and the use of AI is prohibited, so you don't want to do that. I really don't like giving zeros for plagiarized or AI plagiarized work. So just write your papers yourself. And if you have questions, please email me, jfly@southplains.college.edu.